We did have a little bit of a miscommunication and had to move our booth. Good morning, everybody. Damian Drager, 4D Exteriorscapes. We are here at Wisconsin State Fair Park in West Allis, Wisconsin, the site of the 2023 Realtors Home and Garden Show, or Greater Milwaukee Association Realtors Home and Garden Show. These are 3 out of the 5 pallets that we have to surround for our water feature. I've already moved 2 pallets over near the door. Because we are not one of the larger booths here, we have a very short window to drive stuff in, but we can start moving things in by hand as of 7 a.m. today. Been here since about 6:30 just to stage things as close as we can. We do have to load them up on wheelbarrows and then from there carry everything in by wheelbarrow to build our booth. So let's just see what today brings. We started at 7:30, so we're about just less than a little bit less than an hour in here, and we did have a little bit of a miscommunication and had to move our booth. So we are in a new aisle, so I'll do a live video later about that. Right now what we're doing is we're setting up the framework for our water feature. This little corner here is going to be the space that we have to stand and use marketing materials, and then from here we get to build our booth and get our water features going. So we've got a design laid out, and we'll see how it all plans out. Hey everybody, Damian with 4D Exteriorscapes here at Wisconsin State Fair Park, West Allis, Wisconsin, for the Greater Milwaukee Association of Realtors Home Show setup. This is day 2 for us and our last day of setup. The show starts tomorrow, Friday the 24th, I think it is, of March at 10 a.m. So we've got today and a little bit of time tomorrow to get everything taken care of, but we've got our waterfall wall, stacked slate wall up there. We've kind of enlarged the openings on that. It's going to drop down onto the stone. Got a spillway installed vertically right there. That's going to spill into the stream. We got one little waterfall there, and then this is more or less a stream falling in another waterfall into a deep basin there. Nick's working on detailing up the side over there, just finishing off some rock work. And then we're gonna start tucking liner along here. We've still got to do lights. We got to do gravel around the art piece and kind of pretty that up. Steven is our greenhouse picking up plants, so those are going to be in so we can pretty this up a little bit, and we got mulch to do today, so we'll keep you updated. We are down here at the Greater Milwaukee Association of Realtors Home and Garden Show. It runs today, Friday the 24th, Saturday the 25th, Sunday the 26th, and then we're off for 2 days. Start back up next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Largest show in the area. And I think we got a really nice display for you. We're gonna spin this around here. And we got so beautiful gray carpeting surrounding the booth. Coming up over here, all our signage. If you can note right there, we are a scavenger hunt stop, so please stop by, get us to sign your card so you can enter the drawing to win. You can see we've got a combination of things here. We've got a Pondless Waterfall, basically starting in a spillway underneath there, wrapping around through the stream, cascading through this land and stone, weather edge, great supplier we have here in Lemke Stone. We've also incorporated one of our stacked slate walls, so you can see the water bubbling up out of the top and coming down over there. And then this year, for the first time, we did a custom art piece. And one of the things that Aquascape has as a logo, their main company, is their Hands of an Artist, Certified Aquascape Contractor book, which we are featured in page 210 to 11, I believe it is. They use it in a lot of marketing. We're able to use that also, so you can see we've got it there. Well, this year, to actually bring that Hands of an Artist to life. And let me know what you think. So, the red line does represent the equator, but we got water bubbling out of the top, cascading down the globe, coming out of the big cupped hands, and then all that perched on a stump, surrounded by some moss at the bottom. So hope you guys like what we put together this year. If you've not been down here yet, please come down, check us out, and you'll find us in booth 1751. Have a great day.